Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Stone Dynamic Link Library and an Arc Dynamic Link Library error when you try to install games. So this error in Windows 10 mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eat up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC might show this error. So here there is a solution for you. You can press Windows plus R button, and here you can try to open the sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl. Here click OK, and here we go. This is the system properties. You can go to the advanced, then settings. Here you can click advanced, then you can change virtual memory. Untick the box, automatically manage paging file for size for all hard drives. Here you can try to click custom size and fill the blank initial size and maximum size based on your PC RAM or laptop RAM. Here for most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the value which will work most cases is minimum 400 and maximum 3000. Note that the values are in megabytes, so they set maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Final step, after you set the values, you can press OK, close all other windows open, then reboot your PC or your laptop, and here you can try to reinstall the game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the text button below. See you in the next video.